encourage students to take up engineering because there is a world of opportunities out there. I got to travel, I had so many good life experiences. If you want to work and travel and earn good money, then engineering is a fantastic industry to enter.
I would encourage students to take up engineering because it's not only fascinating, because engineering is always evolving, industry is always evolving, technology is always evolving, but also it's a very safe career choice because there are a lot of opportunities in engineering, mechanical and aeronautical.
It's a diverse career pathway. There's plenty of areas you can specialise in. There's plenty of opportunities to get good employment. So it's a really worthwhile and rewarding career for any potential applicant to the university.
The university has lots of world-class equipment. The equipment we have here in South Wales is very linked with what is being used in industry. The courses that we have here at the University of South Wales are being accredited by major institutions, engineering institutions like the Institute of Civil Engineers. All these various institutions ensure that when our students finish their studies, they can then get that chartership status with these institutions.
We are teaching for our students the underlying principles, technologies and so on, but what we want them to be is innovative people. Right? And also creativity, a bit of softness added to your innovation. So that's what we are trying to promote here with our engineering students. We want them to be good in engineers, but innovative and creative engineers to make this world a better place.